Hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. In this video let's see how Dall-E is priced. Here you can see we are inside Dall-E and we can generate images by giving the prompt over here. But before we do that, let's see how Dall-E pricing works. When you first log in to the Dall-E, you get 50 free credits. Here you can see my credits are left, 33 credits are left here, but you get 50 free credits that you can use, and each time you generate an image you lose 1 credit. Okay, so basically I can generate an image inside Dall-E 33 more times. Okay, so if I after I'm done with it, I can click here buy credits and I can buy more credits. Okay, so basically you can use Dall-E 50 times before you need to buy more credits, and that is enough for you to test. And if you later want to buy Dall-E credits, then you can go here and buy them. Here you can see for $15 you get 115 credits, which is approximately 13 cents per credit. Okay, so basically you can generate an image with Dall-E for 13 cents. Okay, so image with Dall-E is 13 cents each. Okay, so you can go and you can buy 30 for $30 and 230 images will be good for you, and it will last you for a month maybe. Okay, so as I am using it, I need of course more because I'm teaching it here, but of course you don't need that much. If you are starting out, just start with that 50 free credits and then you can buy more, and after buying more you can use Dall-E as well. And in later course I will also teach you how to sell these generations. So basically you can make money and then you can use that money to basically buy more credits over here. So that's it for today's video. We'll move to the next video.